Now we will see about Man Booker Prize 2017. First I will tell you about this very prestigious British literary prize called Man Booker Prize. Then I will tell you about the latest winner. Booker Prize is sponsored by a group called Man. That's why it is called Man Booker Prize. Man is a very big financial company based in London, United Kingdom. Since this group is sponsoring, it is called as Man Booker Prize or simply Booker Prize. It is a very prestigious British literary prize which was started in the year 1969. From 1969 to 2013, this prize was given only to authors from Commonwealth countries and Ireland. So, what are these Commonwealth countries? The countries which were once ruled by the British people or the erstwhile British colonies are called Commonwealth countries. For example, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa and so many countries. So, this prize was first confined from 1969 to 2013, it was confined only to Commonwealth countries authors and Ireland countries authors. But from 2014 onwards, that means only recently, only from 3 years, this prize has become open to the authors all over the world. So, this is one eligibility condition, and another is to get this Man Booker Prize, the book must be in English only and it should be a novel, it should be a fiction, and that book must be published in the United Kingdom. So, these are the eligibility conditions to get this very prestigious Man Booker Prize, and the prize money is also very huge amount. 50,000 pounds is the prize money for this Booker Prize. The first winner in 1969 is P.H. Newby, a British author, an author from United Kingdom, for a book titled Something to Answer For. This prestigious Booker Prize is won by 4 Indians. I will tell all these 4 Indians along with the book titles, very important for all exams. First Indian author to win this prestigious prize is Salman Rushdie, is an India-born UK author, and the book title is Midnight's Children in the year 1981. Second is Arundhati Roy, in the year 1997 she won the Booker Prize for The God of Small Things. Third Indian winner is another woman, Kiran Desai, in the year 2006 for the book Inheritance of Loss. And finally, in 2008, Aravind Adiga became the 4th and last Indian author to win this prestigious Booker Prize for the book The White Tiger. So, I told you the 4 Indian authors who have won Booker Prize. And this year, the Booker Prize winner was announced on October 17th, and the winner is George Sanders of America for his novel Lincoln in the Bardo. And George Sanders became the 2nd consecutive American winner to win this prize. Remember, last year in 2016, another American author, Paul Beatty, won the Booker Prize for his book The Sellout. Lincoln in the Bardo is a ghost story which is built around the death of American President Abraham Lincoln's 11-year-old son Willie Lincoln in February 1862 during the period of American Civil War. Bardo, B-A-R-D-O, Bardo is a word which is related to Tibet Buddhism, and the meaning of the word Bardo is the intermediate or transitional state between one's death and one's rebirth. So, that is called Bardo as far as Buddhism is concerned. So, this book Lincoln in the Bardo deals about the tragic death of 11-year-old son of America's greatest president Abraham Lincoln during the period of Civil War. So, remember the author name. Author is George Sanders of America, who won the 2017 Booker Prize for his novel Lincoln in the Bardo. For this year's Booker Prize, one Indian book was also longlisted. Remember, it was longlisted, but it did not win the prize, but still it is written by an Indian author. That is why it is important for your exam, and that book is The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. So, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness was longlisted, but could not win the prize, and the author of this book is Arundhati Roy. So, remember, not only Indian winners, but also the latest Booker Prize winner, which is absolutely important for your next 1 year's competitive exams. Thank you.